Okay guys, now I am testing printing the logo of Groomix. Let's see how my 3D printer is printing it. Now I am fast forwarded by 10x because 3D printing is very slow. It needs time to cool down the hot printed plastic, so it takes lot of time. This project showing around 14 minutes to print. That's why I fast forwarded, and now it's going to complete. Now it is in real speed. Logo is nearly completed. Now printing is done. Let's see what is the quality of printing. It's look nice. First I will removing the washes. This is the line first 3D printer print to test the alignment of printing border. Now this is the logo of Groomix. It look nice. Printing is good.